Welcome to Antrix Media, your go-to source for digital marketing tips and tricks. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to start a free blog and earn money with Google AdSense. Blogging is a great way to share your thoughts, ideas, and experiences with the world. It's also a fantastic way to make money online. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with a free blog and monetize it with Google AdSense. Part 1. Why start a blog? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of starting a free blog, let's first discuss why you should start a blog in the first place. Share your passion. Blogging is a great way to share your interests and passions with others. If you have something you're passionate about, sharing it through a blog is a great way to connect with like-minded people. Build an online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential. A blog is a great way to build your online presence and establish yourself as an expert in your niche. Make money online. Perhaps the biggest reason to start a blog is to make money online. With the right strategy, you can monetize your blog and earn a passive income. Part 2. Choosing your niche. The first step in starting a blog is choosing your niche. Your niche is the topic or subject that your blog will focus on. When choosing your niche, consider the following. Number 1. Your interests. You're going to be writing about your niche for a long time, so make sure it's something you're genuinely interested in. Number 2. Your expertise. You don't have to be an expert on your niche, but having some knowledge or experience can help. Number 3. Market demand. Is there a market demand for your niche? Are people searching for information on your topic? Number 4. Competition. How much competition is there in your niche? Is it too crowded, or is there an opportunity to stand out? Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to move on to the next step. Part 3. Choosing your blogging platform. There are several blogging platforms to choose from, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to focus on two: WordPress and Blogger. WordPress. WordPress is the most popular blogging platform in the world. It's free to use, and it's incredibly versatile, with thousands of themes and plugins to choose from. To get started with WordPress, follow these steps. Number 1. Sign up for a free account at WordPress.com. Number 2. Choose your domain name. Your domain name is your website's address, and it's essential to choose something that's easy to remember and brandable. Number 3. Choose your theme. Your theme is the design of your website, and it's essential to choose something that looks professional and fits your niche. Number 4. Start creating content. Once you've set up your website, it's time to start creating content. Make sure your content is high quality, valuable, and relevant to your niche. Blogger. Blogger is another popular blogging platform, owned by Google. It's free to use, and it's easy to get started. To get started with Blogger, follow these steps. Number 1. Sign in to your Google account. Number 2. Go to blogger.com. Number 3. Click on Create a blog. Number 4. Choose your blog's name and address. Number 5. Choose your theme. Number 6. Start creating content. Part 4. Creating valuable content. Now that you've chosen your niche and blogging platform, it's time to start creating valuable content. Here are some tips for creating high-quality blog posts. Write for your audience. It's essential to know your audience and write for them. What kind of information are they looking for? What are their pain points, and how can you help them solve their problems? Use headlines and subheadings. Break your content into easy-to-read sections by using headlines and subheadings. This will make it easier for your readers to skim through your content and find the information they're looking for. Use visuals. Use visuals like images, infographics, and videos to break up your text and make your content more engaging. Keep it concise. Keep your sentences and paragraphs short and to the point. People have short attention spans, and they're more likely to read your content if it's easy to digest. Use keywords. Use relevant keywords in your content to help it rank higher in search engines. But don't overdo it, or you could be penalized for keyword stuffing. Proofread. Always proofread your content before publishing it. Typos and grammatical errors can make your content look unprofessional. Part 5. Monetizing your blog with Google AdSense. Now that you've created valuable content, it's time to monetize your blog with Google AdSense. Google AdSense is an advertising program that allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your website. Here's how to get started with Google AdSense. Number 1. Sign up for a Google AdSense account. Go to Google AdSense and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide some information about your website, including its URL and the content of your site. Number 2. Set up your ads. Once your account is approved, you can start setting up your ads. You'll be given a code to add to your website, which will display ads relevant to your content. Number 3. Drive traffic to your site. To make money with Google AdSense, you'll need to drive traffic to your site. The more traffic you have, the more potential clicks you'll get on your ads. Number 4. Monitor your earnings. Google AdSense provides you with detailed reports on your earnings. Monitor these reports to see how much money you're making and to identify opportunities to optimize your ads. Conclusion. Starting a free blog and earning money with Google AdSense is a great way to share your passion, build an online presence, and make money online. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you can start your own blog and begin monetizing it with Google AdSense. Remember to choose a niche that you're passionate about, create valuable content, and drive traffic to your site. With patience and persistence, you can build a successful blog and earn a passive income with Google AdSense.